Hello everybody. Now you know we leave for Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand in about a week. Gotta get ready to go. Gotta get packed up. Now I don't have a list. You can find that online. Take the stuff you want to go. But the thing you gotta do is get in and carry on. Now this is the way I do it. And you don't have to do it this way. But if it works for you, do it. First you get a bag. You're gonna need a bag that can carry everything. Because it's carry-on. So all you gotta do is carry it on. And I'm gonna carry this. So I got a special surprise, but you'll see. Alright, so now first you gotta put everything in the carry-on bag that you're gonna need. And I don't have a lot of time for this, so I'm gonna take everything I need. You just get it and put it in your bag. So got some room. Alright, so I got more stuff. Let's see.
One more, no. One more, do it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Uh-oh. Man.
That's my favorite shirt. It's going. It's going.
Man. That's my favorite shirt.
That's my favorite shirt.
It's going too. Some shorts. Got some shirts. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't think it's going.
Okay, so what you can't take, you gotta leave behind.
Alright, now we just put it in here. Get all ready to go.
But now we gotta put it in the carry-on. That's the trick. So let me get my carry-on bag. There it is. All right. Okay. So once you get your carry-on bag, then you just put it in there and you're good to go. It's not hard. It's a little slow at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's real easy. Just stuff it, stuff it, stuff it, stuff it. And if it don't want to go, you get the special packing device. Just hang on. Okay. There you go. And you're good to go. I don't know if you guys realize that, but that previous way to pack was just a joke. It was just a joke. This is the real way I pack. And you don't have to pack this way. It's just what I do, okay? I seriously do take this little backpack as my carry-on. And that and the little EF backpack, I take that too. Here's a little fanny pack. If I have room, I carry it. And inside that fanny pack, I put all the stuff I'll need for the day. And I usually put it in the plastic bags. If you put stuff in plastic bags and put it in here, it doesn't matter how wet it gets, you know, your camera, your clothing, whatever, it just won't go through the plastic bag. So you're good to go. So that's the main stuff I carry. I'll take my shoes to wear, and I'll take an extra little pair of shoes in case I need them. So I'm going to pack those up. I probably won't need those. Then I'm going to pack things that I put in my backpack. And if you're going to check a bag, which, you know, after this, no one should have to check a bag. But if you do have to check a bag, then carry your precious stuff in your carry-on and at least one change of clothes. So my precious stuff consists of all my electronic stuff, including a universal adapter that we can poke in all the holes in Asia. And so that's my electronic stuff. here's my ditty bag of deodorant and whatnot stuff, you know, those things that you will have shampoo and soap, you know, so I'm not carrying that. But this is toenail clippers, that kind of thing, you know, that bag of stuff. And then if I have room, I'll take this Monster extra charger, you know, because, you know, God forbid you be without an electronic, which I recommend that you just only use your cell phone for cameras and just stay off that thing except for emergencies. Okay, but anyway, in case you need a charger thing. And then here's a little pair of binoculars. All right, so I'm going to see if all that will go in my little bag. And if it does, then I'm just going to, I may put that in my backpack because I might not need that. All right, because that'll go into the seat. And then I'll need to take my rain gear. And so that'll go in my carry-on. All this is carry-on, so I can just take it on. And my rain gear is a hat and a raincoat. That's my rain gear. All right, and then here's a little thing, those little blow-up necky things. I'll take that. And so that's in this. In fact, I'm going to take my rain gear in my bag. So the little blow-up necky thing, make sure it's on the plane. That's going in the backpack. Okay, and then I'm going to take one change of clothes, so a pair of undies, a pair of socks, a shirt. Okay, shirt, I'm not going to take the hanger. And take the shirts, you know, let's take my shirt, and this is a kind of a poly cotton blend. I don't, you know, you shouldn't wear cotton. Well, it won't dry out. It might feel cool, but it won't dry out. Roll that sucker up and put it in there. And I take about 3 pair of pants, and they're these old funky pants that have the zip offs, and I just roll those up. There you go. Okay, and then in here, I will put the important papers, my passport, my extra copies of the papers you send me, all the important stuff I'm going to carry in here, either there or on my person. I have a special little pouch that I carry cash and stuff like that in. Don't tell all the people in the random airport that where I keep my cash. All right, and wait a minute, there's a video. I'm going to have to edit that out. All right, so then I pack up. So that's going to go, and now I'm going to pack the clothes. So I'm going to just pack this here, pack that, pack rain gear. It's good to go. Remember, you can also buy stuff. We're not going backpacking in the wilderness. You can buy things if you forget something, so it's no big deal. Okay, to pack up my clothes, I'm going to take them off of the hangers. Then I'm going to fold them, roll them up. Okay, so there's my shirt. There are my shirts and pants. Then I'm going to pack about 5 pairs of unders and about 4 pairs of socks. And this is the most important thing. Bandanas. Bandanas, you can wear them as underwear, you can wear them as a hat, you can use them to keep the sweat off of your brow. They're just a wonderful thing. You can just do anything with them, make them, take bandanas. And that's what I'm taking. I'll take my favorite t-shirt, even though it's cotton. Well, I got it all packed up, but the camera quit before I got it packed up. But believe me, everything that I'm taking is right here and right here. And so if I'm worried about the weight, I can just stand on this scale, pick up this bag, look down, it says 213 pounds. Now it says 200 pounds. So this bag weighs 13 pounds. When I pick up this bag, it says 206 pounds. And now it doesn't say anything because I got off the scale, but you get the point. So you can weigh your bags that way. And now we're ready to go. I hope you get everything packed up, and I hope you get everything packed up and carry on. But if you don't, you just have to carry it. And you got to lug that big old suitcase all over Asia. I'll see you guys soon. Take care.